got the front bumper all repaired from the damage it took when I hit that puddle. You know, it really held up very well, but it just is. It kind of shattered it right here, and kind of just, the thing is full of stone chips, so I totally repainted it. Just got to get clear coat, and then the pearl coat and clear coat on top of that. So the car's back on its wheels on the new springs. There's E-Box 30 series. They're a little bit stronger. They're holding it up 2 fingers. So I'll drive it a bit because I can still adjust them up and down. Can't really see it in there, but I do have some adjustment down. I'm sure a lot of cars are designed this way with struts. When it's turned all the way to the right, the strut's actually loose. And as you turn the wheel, it compresses the strut. So that helps body roll. I'm gonna hold the camera still. It actually compresses. So here I am working on the hood finally. I've been sitting on the idea for 3 weeks now, not sure what to do. But I think I'm going to cut the top off. Give it that open look. Just the air filter will be sticking through, but over here I'll probably put like louvers. I know it sounds funny, but I think it'll look pretty slick. That way when the hood's open, you know, this side will be covered by louvers, and then just the air filter will stick through. And smart cars don't have hinging hoods, but I'm going to put some bolts in the back of the hood, and then on the fender there I'm going to put a slot, because it has to go down and then back, and then to open it you have to go forward and up. So it'll have a little sliding slot there. The head pins will keep it positioned and down. So we're going to be chopping away at this, and I'll have to make the inside of this look a little better. Okay, I cut the top off. It's still going to need some work to help round it out. So as you can see down here, there isn't much room. But, you know, I can build it up on the inside and then sand this off, make that more round. And then I think I'll make a top piece, except this sticks up higher than this, so I may have to build this back up a little bit. Like from here I might lower that and build this up. Then I'll make a top piece that sits down inside a little bit lower, and it's more level. So back here it'll drop down and it'll just come across level out to here, and it'll kind of curve around the air filter. And then over here it'll just curve back, but it'll have like louvers in it, maybe 3. And then I have this little hood scoop, if anybody wants it for a Pontiac. Old 60s Pontiac, looks just like it. Okay, working on the grill. Got the mesh all cut and bent. Goes in on the back side of here. Got this all nice and wet sanded. We're going to shoot it with a coat of black now. Okay, working on the hood some more. I went and added some more Bondo in here and 2 layers of fiberglass over it, so on the outside I can curve it more.